What began as a journey? What began as a barren? What began as ideas? What began as hope was carried in the hearts of the community. What began as preparation was cared for every grain. What began as planting was trust placed in the soil. What began as tiny sprout was the first promise of growth. What began as garden fields was even chasing goats away. What began as efforts in the field was strength shaping the land. And finally, what began as a seed of possibility has become fields of soybeans full and alive. And what began as a dream shines into tomorrow.